In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Substack subscribers. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the export option, what to click, and how to confirm your subscriber list is ready to download for safekeeping, analysis, or migration. First, open Substack in your browser and make sure you're looking at your publications workspace. Everything we need is available from within your account, and the export tools live in the same place you manage the rest of your publication. Next, click Dashboard. This is your home base on Substack, where you'll find the controls and settings for your publication. From here, we'll head directly into the area that lets you manage the data connected to your account. Now, click Settings. This is where Substack keeps the administrative options for your publication. You'll see a list of categories along the left side that help you navigate to specific tools. Scroll down the left-hand menu and click Import, Export. This section is dedicated to moving data into and out of Substack, and it's the place you'll use anytime you want a copy of your subscriber information or other publication data. Within the Export Your Data area, click New Export. This triggers Substack to prepare a fresh copy of your data. Behind the scenes, Substack compiles your information into a downloadable file. That typically includes your subscriber list along with other publication data bundled together so you have a complete snapshot. At this point, Substack begins the export process. You don't need to do anything else while it runs. The system processes your request and gets everything ready for download. Depending on the size of your audience and the amount of data in your publication, this can take a little time, so it's normal if you don't see the file immediately. To know when it's finished, look for the status indicator. When the export is ready, the status will be marked as Done, and a download button will appear. Click that download button to save the file to your computer. Keep in mind that the export may arrive as a compressed archive containing your subscriber list and other related data. Store it in a secure location, especially if it includes email addresses and other sensitive subscriber information. That's it. You've opened Substack, navigated to your dashboard and settings, gone into Import, Export, started a new export, and then confirmed it's done so you can download your data. Use this exported file to back up your audience, move it into a CRM or analytics tool, or keep a secure record for your business.